Gonna get the engine steam cleaned here and get it on its way. The more I look at it, the more I know this is not a 35,000 mile engine. Or if it is, it's had a rough life. First off, that's a lot of blue RTV gasket material. Then we got our Made in India freeze plug. Blue RTV squeezing out everywhere. The engine ran good, but like I said, I don't think this is its first rodeo. I'm going to steam clean it, and somewhere on here Ford stamped the VIN number of the car. And I find that, I'll be able to tell if it is the original engine or kind of a little bit more to what the story is. So I'm going to foam her up and get her cleaned. We got the pressure washer at the ready. We got the got the hazmat cleanup crew right here. And forgive my voice, I have a cold. But we'll get spraying and see what it looks like afterwards. Now it's all pressure washed and cleaned off. Got the manifolds off, water pump, all the other nonsense. The only thing we have a problem with is this distributor is frozen. It has become as one with this block. I cannot get it off. I have soaked it. I have heated it. I've beat on it. I have pulled on it. I don't know. We're going to have to see what else we can do. I got a slide hammer. Might try and tap it up, but it is fused to that block. It's kind of crusty, as you can see. It's, yeah, she's pretty gross in there. But, yep, Permatex is really sticking out. It has two of the Made in India freeze plugs. There's the other one. The other one's right there. So it's been apart. It does, however, have the number. I don't know if I can get it here. Let's see. But this indeed is the matching numbers engine to that car. So I have a matching numbers engine. That's a good start. So I'm going to see what we can do and get a slide hammer and get this thing, this distributor, pulled out of here. Why won't you come out? Well, successfully broken the top of it. I wasn't going to use that distributor anyways. I'm going to use a billet distributor, but aluminum does not take the abuse. We may just give up and drop it off at the engine shop. Let them sort it out. So I've given up. It's not coming out. So I've given up. Called the machine shop. He said, bring it up. I'm going to bring it up. He's going to take it out. Not my problem. So I'm going to load it in a shop truck, the old Great White Buffalo, and I'm going to drive over to Mountain tomorrow and drop her off at the machine shop. J&B Performance. Got my Cleveland here. It is the engine place. Got a 302 here. My heads are all done. Also be going on to this block, 68 302. Supposed to be pretty clean. But yeah, well, this is the rebirth for the Cleveland. It's here too. Pretty stoked. Got it in here, just got it unloaded. And hopefully we'll get her done soon.